గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. ఈరోజు మేము ఇక్కడ వాల్మీకి కెనడా ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఫేర్ తాజ్ వివాంటాలో ఆర్గనైజ్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో టుడే వీ హ్యావ్ officials all the way. They've come from Canada, so they're participating in today's education fair. See, the main purpose of organizing this education fair is we would like to bring awareness, among students community, and especially even the parents also. So, as you know that after US, the second biggest country now is Canada, where a lot of Indian students are aspiring, to pursue their further studies in Canada. So basically the advantage of the studying in Canada, students can easily find a wide variety of courses where you find a lot of community colleges. I mean the government accredited community colleges where they have very innovative courses right from diploma level to advanced diploma and graduate diploma levels. They are called as co-op programs. So the benefits of choosing these co-op programs would be they are basically employment oriented programs actually. So you also call them as earn and learn programs actually. So where students can pursue their 1 year program, like 1 semester of studies, then 1 semester of paid internship. So chala co-op programs anedi quite popular in Canada. There are hundreds of community colleges, but again students need to be very careful in choosing the right college and the right specialization. That's very important. So why a lot of Indian students are showing interest to go to Canada for further studies? Because Canada is a land of immigrants, and the neighboring country, of course, United States, and main advantage is students, if at all they pursue 1 year course, they will get 1 year work permit, and if at all they go for they choose 2 years course, they will get straight away 3 years work permit actually. 3 years work permit. So these are the main benefits, and also students will have an advantage of applying for PR also. So permanent residency. So if at all they really pursue well, and if at all they excel in their studies, so there are plenty of opportunities in Canada right now. So that's why, and even with regard to the visa success rate for Indian students is pretty good. And of course you're all aware with the recent visit of our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, so where the Canadian education, the demand for Canada education is really going to grow like anything. So my sincere message to the students community would be, so before you plan for any country, so make sure that you will really plan well in advance, and do proper research, and select the best course in the best universities and colleges. And also you need to have meticulous planning with regard to your student visas, especially before you apply for visa. So otherwise a lot of students, due to lack of planning and a last minute rush, and they end up choosing the wrong colleges, the wrong courses, and again they try to take transfers, and there are a lot of issues basically. So you must be really careful in choosing your career counselor also. The right consultant you need to choose. Check the credentials of the consultant very carefully, and also check what kind of colleges and universities they're promoting, and followed by the first hand information is very important. So with today's education fair, so we are definitely allowing a lot of students and parents to interact with the university officials, clarify their doubts, and get to know more about the admission criteria, followed by the funding and scholarship opportunities in the respective colleges. So I request all the students once again to make use of our services, and they can also log on to our upcoming education fairs at Valmiki edu.org, and we have our education fair website also. It's called valmikiedufairs.org. I'll repeat, it's www.valmikiedufairs.org, where you can really review and find out all upcoming education fairs. So I wish best of luck for all the students. Thank you so much.